Day 26 of our 365 Days of our Abundant Life series. 1 John chapter 3 verse 20. Even if we feel guilty, God is greater than our feelings. Today's topic title, God says, I will change how you feel. Some might say that you feel the way you feel and you can't really change it. But I have not saved you to leave you helpless in the area of your emotions. As my Spirit takes residence in your inner life and goes to work, He does not just cause you to act differently and think differently. He causes you to feel differently. He changes how you think about me and about your circumstances, and therefore how you feel. How you feel flows out of what you believe, not what you think you ought to believe, but what you truly believe. Joy and peace flow out of your solid belief in my promises. Fear and fury flow out of your unbelief in my provision. So when you feel lonely, inform your feelings of the truth that I am with you and will never leave you. When you feel resentful, inform your feelings of my gracious forgiveness toward you. When you feel anxious, inform your feelings of my protective care for you. We humans are complicated and intelligent beings. So we're very emotional creatures, and our emotions deeply influence our behavior, decision making, survival, and acting as a core driver rather than just a byproduct of thought. So it's like how we feel really could affect our decision making. So it's really important to know how do you call that, caliber or control your emotion. The problem starts when we let our emotions control our life. No, for example, in my personal experience, I have a past. We have a past life that we may not be proud of. We may have some past trauma, some memories, regrets, and hurts, and it still traps me, ganyan. And it's so very easy to say, like, oh, you just have to learn to forgive, learn, and move forward. Yeah, it's so easy to say that, but how to really do that? How to really break free from those emotions and everything that you're carrying inside of you, because I want to move forward. Paano nga ba? One thing I realize is it all starts with you, and it is only with God talaga. Not even your own family, not even your close friends, because in the end, they were not with you like 24/7 talaga. No, they don't know. People don't know what's really happening in your life 24/7. There are times that we have done things and, oh, ba't mo ginawa yan? But they really didn't know what's happening before that. Mga ganyan na mga scenario ba? And sometimes those memories, mga regrets, mga hurts, nag-trap pa sa akin, like, and it just got to the point that I'm done. No, I'm done proving myself to people, no, ganun ba niya. Then, that was mali pala yun, no, mali pala, because rather than focusing on the approval ng mga tao na ganyan, you should first focus on God's approval. Yun talaga ang pinaka-first step. So, siya lang kasi yung mas makakaintindi. Siya lang yun pwede mong pagsumbungan ng everything, because with Him, there's nothing you can hide. Siya lang yung mas nakakaalam ng pinakamaliit na mga detalye ba, siya lang talaga. There are times na gusto na sana nating mag-move forward, pero yung mga tao inaasahan natin na sana tutulong, sila pa yung nag-hold back sa'yo, ganun ba? So, I got to the point na I was like, okay, as long as I have God, I would welcome. Dumating na sa punto na ganun ba, okay na, I don't care sino-sino mga tao I will lose along the way. I don't care anymore as long as I don't lose myself anymore. And I have God in my life. Ganon siya. And then ma-amaze ka na lang, He has His own way. He has His own way of realigning people na sino yung mga dapat na mag-go away, sino yung mga dapat mag-exit, and siya din yung magbigay ng paraan na sino yung dapat mag-stay, mga ganun ba. And it's totoo yun na mag-iba yung, because yung feelings, yung emotions mo mag-iba na, you're more like, kumbaga hindi naman totally na asa na lang lahat sa kanya. In my part, I also have to do something, but iba yung feeling ba na, okay Lord, ito ang gagawin ko, as long as I have you, guide mo ako ha, ganun. Parang you're more, na ba, na mag-move forward, ma-amaze ka na lang na slowly, in His own way, He would guide you on a path. He would guide you na, dito ka next, ganyan ka. Still, the future is still unknown. Ano pa yung mga mangyayari in the future. But iba yung feeling na whatever the circumstances, as long as you have Him, parang okay lang ba? Okay lang. Okay, move forward. Ganyan. So, ganun siya. Para sa akin, you should really start with yourself, and it's between you and God. And He will let Him realign your life in moving forward for the better.